Hi, my name is Simon Rochette. I am the sales director at Tervene. Tervene is a daily management system that specializes in the digitization of daily operations for plants. We are a Montreal company base, and we have been participating in the AMS with the Generis team for the past 4 years, doing about one event per year. I would say that in the past 4 years, we had the chance or the opportunity to meet with highly qualified clients. They have come to our booth. We've been demonstrating our solution. And in the past 4 years, we've been able to secure deals with 4 different companies. So it's been great for us, great opportunity. And I think that the Generis team has been a great help bringing us qualified meetings. And I would recommend everyone to be an exhibitor for the upcoming years.